I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today I'm here with the AEROLUX by Travel Buggy Powerchairs, and we're going to be doing the unboxing and assembly, so stay tuned. When your AEROLUX comes in, it's going to be in a box about like this. It's going to be pretty much already assembled. We're just going to have to unfold the chair and put a few pieces on. Pretty easy unboxing here. I'm going to start by grabbing a knife, and I'm going to gently cut the tape that is holding the lid together. And up top here, just got some foam. And here is, on this paper that I dropped, is your quick start guide. It also has, a visual demonstration of how to do this. Then I'll show you what it looks like. There's your chair sitting in here. And then this is going to be your joystick, and I believe your charger and manual is also in there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take this box out. Set that to the side. And the chair right here, there's two handles up top. Can't really see because it's in plastic. But if I remove the plastic, you can see the handles right here. There's also on the other side another box that's kind of tucked in here. So I want to take these out first. That'll make it easier to get out of here. So I'll remove this box. And we have our cushions as well. I'm going to go ahead and slide these out of the way. Then that should be everything in here. And I'll go ahead and lift the unit up. Now this unit weighs about 29 pounds, so I should be able to lift it straight up. And there we go. Comes right out. Now if you are having trouble doing that, what you can do, first of all, make sure you're on a surface where you're not going to scratch the unit, but you can tilt the box on its side and pull it out that way. But because this unit only weighs 29 pounds by itself like this, it is not super difficult to lift out of the box. You just want to make sure that stuff is out of the way first. So now I'm going to clean up some of this material, and then we will get to assembling this chair. I'm going to start by opening some of these boxes. We got two of them. So this one here is our battery. It looks like the battery does not come pre-installed, so this is the battery. And then I will show you how to install it in just a second. This other box is going to be our joystick, and I'm pretty sure our charger and manual is also in here. Yep, here's our joystick. Looks like our footrests are also in here. You get a toolkit, seatbelt, other footrest. Here's your charger. And then, so don't drop it, your owner's manual right here. And then in this bag is our cushions. We should have a back cushion and a seat cushion. And here they are. So your back cushion is the one that is longer up top. So this is your back cushion. This is your seat cushion. And then in this bag also is your calf cushion as well. So I'll show you how to install all those. But first, we're going to open up the unit. So in order to open it up, it opens a lot like a manual wheelchair, if you've ever done that. But what we're going to do, should be able to grab you want to grab on the arms and push it out to the side. And then you're going to push down from here. There we go. We're unfolded. I'm going to turn it around, then your backrest will go up and will click. Just like that. Now, the reverse of that is there's these two handles on the back. I'm going to push them in. Backrest folds in. Grab these two handles right here. You should be able to lift up and fold. And then make sure you don't get your foot trapped in here. It's kind of a pinch point. Don't want you in there. From the outside of the arms. Push in again, and now you're folded again. And you have these handles to lift it up. So again, push out. Push down, backrest up. I'm going to start with our cushions. So we've got our back cushion right here. There's Velcro on one side. This part right here goes up top. So we're going to set it in, and it's going to fold over, and there is Velcro on the other side that holds it in. Same thing with the front cushion. This goes up front. It's going to Velcro down. You just fold it under, and it Velcros. So now our cushions are on, and we'll get to installing the battery next. So here's our battery. Then there's this power button here you can hold down, and it will turn on this display. It tells you how many volts are in the battery and what the charge percentage is. We're at 26.6 volts, so this is a good battery, and we're at 67% charge. Could use a little bit of charging. To get it in here, here's our plug, and it's going to connect down here. We're going to slide it in from the top, and it should. So once it's in, it should just kind of push down, and then it should click, and that button will pop out once it is in. So it looks like we're in. In order to take the battery out, you push this button in, and then I'm going to push it up a little bit. You got to push it a little hard to get this plug to disconnect from this one. But as you can see also, there's a charging port on the battery, so you can take this out, charge it externally as well as internally. So when the battery is on the chair, you would charge it through the joystick. If the battery is off the chair, you would charge it right there. So I'll go ahead and stick it back on. It pushes right down. Next we have our footrests. There's two of them. They are both mirrored, so one goes on one side, one goes on the other. You don't want to flip them. Basically, we want to take this pin out. It looks like this on both sides. Then our footrests are going to slide in. Then you'll drop the pin in once the holes line up. Now you can still fold the unit with the footrests on. Just want to make sure they're folded up when the unit goes together so these don't hit each other. So this is your calf rest. It has some Velcro. It's going to go around the frame just like that. There we go. Next is a joystick. The joystick goes, it's set up for the right hand side, but you can put it on the left hand side. You would just have to take this bolt out, move it to the other side. And then this wire is ran throughout the chair, and it's held in by a piece of Velcro and some zip ties. You would have to clip the zip ties and then run it the other way and use your own zip ties to tie it. But it is set up from the factory to go on the right hand. So this just slides in there, and you can tighten it or loosen it. If you want it further out, you could tighten it here or here. But we'll just tighten this, and that holds it in place. Then these will connect. It only goes one way, and there are little arrows to show you that. Push it in, and then we can screw this in, and that holds it in. And then just to check, we have power. We do. The chair is driving. Now if you turn on your joystick and it starts beeping at you and it won't drive, and it gives you an error code, it could be your neutral levers. You want to check your neutral levers back here. The easiest way to check your neutral is to see if you can push your chair. See how I can easily wheel that around. Want to make sure these are in the drive position. I should not be able to push my chair. Now of course this chair weighs 29 pounds or 32 with everything, so I can still push it, but you can see the wheels aren't turning. So that means I am in the drive position. Neutral, the wheels will roll. So you want to be in the drive position, turn the power off, back on, and then your chair should drive. This has been the unboxing and assembly of the AEROLUX by Travel Buggy. If you like this unit or you have any questions, please give us a call. I should have a link in the description to where you can order this or for pricing information. But again, if you have any questions, just give us a call. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And I hope you have a great day.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.